Hi guys, it's Jay Chalak here. Do you get frustrated when you're doing a complex calculation on your calculator app on your iPhone and you make a mistake because you don't know how to clear it? This video is to solve that problem. So this is how to clear it. Imagine I'm adding up numbers and I make a mistake with the next number. So maybe I made a mistake with a 5. Instead of 5, I should have written 4, and I just need to clear the 5. If I press the C button here, it clears the whole calculation. I have to start again. So this is how to do it. And then you swipe. You just swipe to clear the number, swipe to clear the number, swipe to clear the number. You can swipe left or right. It just clears the last number that you type. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow, subscribe, and like.